So in this video, we'll be learning how to find the surface area of a cylinder. First, let's understand what is a cylinder. You can imagine a cylinder like a soda can basically. It has two circular bases at the bottom, which is this one, and at the top. And we have a curved, this is very important, so try to focus here, a curved surface in the middle which wraps around the sides. So it goes 360, right? This is only a 2D drawing, by the way. You need to imagine, like, you can grab a can in your house or something, but you need to realize that this is a 3D shape and we are wrapping around the cylinder. So we need to find the entire area of this curved, how would I say, curved surface that wraps around the sides. And the surface area is basically the entire or total area of all the surface of the cylinder. So that is what we are trying to find here. So this formula is right here, which is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Now you don't need to really memorize the formula since it's logical. So let me explain that now. So first of all, the two circular cylinders or circular bases at the top and bottom, what is the formula for finding the area of a circle? It's just pi r squared, right? And here our radius is r. And this top circular base or circular shape circle is the same as the bottom one, by the way. So that's why we just add 2 and that's how we get this one. So that's pretty basic. Now moving on. So as I was saying, this is a curved surface that wraps around the sides. Now if we stretch this curve, it will become straight, right? It becomes a rectangle which wraps around this. So what is the um, width of this side? It's going to be h, right? Since this is h and this is going to be h, so we know that this is h. Now to find this length here, how do we, and what is this? First of all, what is this length? If you think about it, if you want to find the entire length of this one, that is going to be the circumference of this circle, right? Since we are just opening this curved surface, if you think about it that way. So what is the formula for finding the circumference of a circle? It is just 2 pi r, right? And you get the entire circle. And here, what we did here is we need to find this entire length here, which we stretched it out, right? Since we need to find both of the length and the width here. We got the width as h, and we need to find the length now. So the length here is simply going to be pi r, 2 pi r, sorry, 2 pi r, and that's it. And that's how we get the formula. So it's just 2 pi r h, and that is the area of this part, this rectangle. So now let's do an example with numbers. So let's say our height is 3 and our radius is going to be, let's say, 2. So just plug in the formula. Is going to be 2 pi r squared. So 2 squared, or actually let me write times 2 squared plus 2 pi r again is going to be 2, and height here is going to be 3. So now just simplify this. It's going to be 4 times 2, 8 pi, plus this is going to be 4 pi times 3, so that's 12 pi, and the final answer would be 20 pi. Now, important thing to notice is the units in the answer, the question. Let's say it was centimeters. Is going for the units of any area, it's always the unit squared. So here it will be centimeters squared, or let's say it was meters, then it would be meters squared, or let's say it was feet or inches, it would be both squared. So keep that in mind. Surface area or area is always units squared. So that's it for this video. I hope that you understood this. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer. And thanks for watching.